Hi everyone, welcome to the second session of Graphing is an Art here. In this session, we are learning how to calculate domain and range by looking at the graph here. Those who have not watched the Graphing is an Art part 1, kindly watch it before watching this video. In that session, I have clearly explained some basic rules and regulations here. Okay, so before actually getting into the domain and range here, let me learn what actually domain and range in a short span of 1 minute. Okay. So listen student here, if f is a function from a to b, so the a set is called as a domain and b set is called as what here? Codomain. Your function is mapping from a to b. Then what actually the function is? So remember student here, function is a kind of motion here. Say for example, f of x is equal to x square here. For this function, I am giving the input, say input is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I give f0 as the input here, it does f of 0. F of 0 is what here? So 0 square. What is the value of 0 square? 0. So if you put the input 1, f of 1 square, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. So these are the values of what here input and these are what here output. Function is simply motion here. For some input here, it gives some what here output. So this the input part we call as what here domain, and what does output? So definitely we call as what here range. So keep remember student here. So function. So the input values we say as what here domain, and the output we call as what here range. Okay. So but I said here codomain. Listen here. So what do you mean by codomain? I will give a small example here. Say my function is mapping from x to y here. So the set of x value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set of y value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So if I map from 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, the set of domain is what here? The first element here, the first set, first 1, 2, 3, 4 is called as what here? Domain. Okay. And what is codomain here? The complete set of y is called as codomain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is called as what here? Codomain set here. What is ranged? The mapped element, the image of the domain. The image of the domain is called as what here? Range here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is what here? Range. So remember student here. Okay. So range nothing but what here? Simply what here? Image of the what here? Domain. That's all. So one thing you should remember forever here: domain and range, or so always what here? Set. You should notate that symbol in terms of what here? Set only. Now let it begin with the today's concept here. I request every student, so do not forward the video. So kindly watch till from beginning to what here end. So if you forward it here, you will miss something. Okay, so we have today for this session here, we'll be having around 11 graphs here. So by looking at the graph here, how to calculate domain and range, let me see here. I said domain nothing but the input value, range nothing but what here? So the output. Domain nothing but the set of all values of x here, range nothing but the set of all values of what here? Y. Okay, how to check domain and range here? See the graph number 1 here. So domain said, I said the set of all possible values of x. So while calculating domain here, you check along x-axis here. You completely see x-axis here. So how your graph is moving across what here x-axis here. While checking for range nothing but the set of all possible values of y here. While calculating range here, you check from what here bottom to top. So along y-axis here. While calculating domain here, you check from what here left to right here. Okay. So let us see here. I have a function f of x is equal to x. It's about here linear function, straight line here. So domain nothing but here. So you check right from, so x-axis is nothing but it's moving from minus infinity to plus infinity. So y-axis is also moving from minus infinity to plus infinity. They are real number lines here. Okay. So domain, you check. So from left to right here, so it is what here? It is having value right from minus infinity to, so minus infinity to what here? Plus infinity. So it is taking all the value here. For example, say minus 5 is there. For minus 5 also you will be having some value. Minus 4 also you will be having some value. Minus 3 also you will be having value. For 0 also you have value here. For 1, for 2 you will be having, 3 will be having, 4 you will be having, 5 will be having. This graph is moving towards what here? It is moving towards infinity. It's a continuous curve here. So from downwards and upwards it's moving towards what here? Infinity. So you can give any values of x here, it will be having some value. So it's a continuous graph. It's moving towards what here? Infinity. So right from 0 to infinity you will be having value here, minus infinity 0 also will be having value here. Then how to check here? You check from left to right here, left to right. So you will be having the values for y here. So the domain of this function is what here? So minus infinity to what here? Plus infinity. All the real number values it is taking here. Okay. Then how to check what here range here? Okay, listen here, range nothing but should check along what here y-axis here. See along y-axis, so how your graph is moving here. So see here, so if I move from minus infinity to plus infinity, your graph is moving towards what here upward, downward as well as what here upward. It is having all the value right from minus infinity to what here plus infinity. It is taking all the value, so nowhere it cuts here. So definitely what here the range is also what here minus infinity to what here plus infinity. So domain is minus infinity to plus infinity. Range is also minus infinity to plus infinity. Range nothing but check the graph along what here. So y-x right from what here. So bottom to what here bottom to top. So remember students, while mentioning the infinity, always infinity should be bound by what here open interval. Those who are not understood, kindly look at the second graph here. So 1, 2, 3 or 4, definitely at fifth you will come to know exactly what domain and range. So by looking at the graph here. Now go with question number 2. The graph number 2, it's a domain. How to calculate domain here? I said domain nothing but check along what here x-axis. Okay. So okay, from left to right I am checking here. See here. So somebody can speak here, sir, the graph is only at about here only, so you'll be having some values at this point only. You are not giving the value at this point here, so domain should not consider this point here. It's not like that here. So your it is arrow mark indicates your graph is moving towards what here infinity. It is reached towards minus infinity. So and sorry, it is going towards what here left also, so towards infinity, right also what here towards infinity. So nothing but it is completely going upward here. So you will be having all the values would be there here. So definitely what here domain, it is taking right from minus infinity to 0, as well as from 0 to infinity. Again you have this curve here. So nothing but the domain is taking from 0 to infinity as well as from minus infinity to 0. Hence the complete setup domain is from what here minus infinity to what here plus infinity. Once again I am writing what is my domain here, minus infinity to plus infinity. Then what is the range here? So range nothing but the set of all possible values of y. Check the graph along y-axis here. Okay, I will checking this graph. Okay, I need to start my journey of range with what here? So 0 y value. So check the y-axis value. It's a 0, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So right from 0 to what here? Infinity. Your graph is moving towards infinity, no? So nothing but the range is what here? 0 to what here? Infinity. 0. It cuts x-axis here. It is taking the value of 0. So 0 should be close interval here. 0 to what here? Infinity. No part of the graph lies below the what here negative y-axis here. Hence, so in the range there don't be what here any negative y value here. Okay, now look at the third graph here. F of x is equal to e raised to x here, exponential function here. Okay, what is the domain here? Domain nothing but I said check from left to right here. Okay, I am checking from left to right here. Left to right, it is taking from minus infinity to all the values 0 to what here. Again it is going towards what here infinity. Nothing but domain is from what here minus infinity to plus infinity. Then how to calculate range here? Range nothing but check along y-axis here. Y value is minus infinity to 0 to infinity. So minus infinity I am checking the value here. No, I will start with what here 0. So remember student here, this e raised to x curve will never touch the x-axis here. X-axis is the asymptote for this curve here. So nothing but the value of y should not include what here 0. So it start from actually what here 0 should be what here open interval. So 0 to what here it's running towards what here plus infinity. So 0 to what here infinity. 0 should be open, infinity also what here open. I hope you have got a little idea here. So now let me explore some more graphs here. I am requesting once again here, kindly do not what here forward the video. So watch from beginning to what here end. Okay. So graph number 4, f of x is equal to what here root x. How to calculate this guy here? It's a square root function here. I said domain nothing but what here? Domain nothing but check along what here x-axis. Okay. So right x-axis nothing but what here? Right from minus infinity to what here plus infinity. Okay, I am checking the graph now. Minus infinity, minus 0, no value, no graph value here. Okay, and 0 to infinity my value will start here. So up to where here your graph is moving towards what here infinity. So nothing but your domain starts from what here 0 it counts here. 0 should be what here close interval. Up to what? Up to, so graph is moving here. Nothing but you will be giving all the possible values 0 to what here infinity. 0 to infinity is what here domain. Okay. Then range, check the graph from, so right from bottom to what here, top along y-axis here. Okay, I'm checking the, I'm checking. Yes, it start with what here, 0 0 2. You see only along y-axis here. Okay, along y-axis. So don't think it stops here only. No, it's having arrow mark here, nothing but it run towards what here, infinity. It goes towards continuous graph here. So right from 0 to what here, infinity. So the domain range is also what here, range is also 0 to infinity. Okay, now so look at the graph number 5. It's a log x curve, very favorite graph here. Okay, so for a greater than 0, this kind of graph will appear here. Listen, domain nothing but I said along x-axis, along x, checking. Yes, start with what here, origin 0 point here. Okay, but listen here, as like e raised to x graph here, the y log x graph will never touch what here, y-axis here. Why? This point is what here, 1 comma 0. Okay, so for no value, this guy which will not be equal to what here, x shouldn't be equal to what here, 0. That's the meaning here. Listen, so the domain should start from actually 0, but it is not touching this y equal to 0 here. Okay, sorry, x equal to what here, 0. 0 should exclude here, 0 2. Okay, 0 2, I am giving the all the values 0 to what here, infinity. It's running towards what here, infinity. 0 to what here, infinity. 0 should be open interval, infinity is also open interval. Range is nothing but what here, check the graph along what here, y-axis. Okay, y-axis from bottom to top, checking. Yes, it is taking all the value. So it's all the value right from minus infinity to what here, plus infinity. Hence domain is, sorry, range is what here, real number nothing but minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so f of x equal to x cube. Okay, so domain, check along x-axis here. Okay, checking. So it's having arrow mark here. It moves towards, so infinity, minus infinity, as well as what here, plus infinity. It is taking all the value right from minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. Hence domain is what here, real number I will write here. Okay, and range is also, see here. So your graph is having the y value approaching towards minus infinity as well as towards what here, plus infinity. So it will be having all the value right from what here, minus infinity to what here, plus infinity. Hence the range is also what here, a real number. Okay, so we'll have let me start with graph number 7. Okay, it's very interesting. So maximum ZW questions will be of this kind here. Listen, okay, so domain part I'm checking here. Domain, okay, see here, this graph is not continuous graph here, it's discontinuous. One leap is here, other is what here. Okay, listen, how to calculate the domain guy here. So I said domain nothing but set of all the values of x right here. So check from minus infinity to what here, plus infinity. Check the value right from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so listen here, this graph is going towards what here, upward, towards what here, plus infinity. So continuously it's moving here. Nothing but you are assigning the value even towards what here, minus infinity also. There would be values of x right from what here, minus infinity to what here, minus 4. After that you are not assigning any value here because this graph is going like this here. Okay, so nothing but the set of value for this leaf here, minus infinity to what here, minus 4. Infinity is open interval. See here, so this is what here, open dot nothing but open interval. Okay, minus infinity to minus 4, open interval. Again from here to, okay, I will checking the graph here from here to up to 6 here. From minus 4 to 6 there is no graph part here, nothing but you are not assigning any domain here. So the domain values should start from what here, 6 here. Okay, so right from 6 to what here, 6 to your graph is going downwards here, nothing but up to towards what here, minus infinity. You will be assigning all the value here, all the value. Okay, so nothing but right from 6 to what here, infinity. 6 should count here, it's having what here, so close circle here, right from 6 to what here, infinity, right? Okay, so one leaf is here, other is what here. This should be bounded by what here, union, nothing but this or this one. Okay, then how to check the range here? Range nothing but you should check along what here, y-axis here, y-axis. Okay, listen, so this is the y-axis, minus infinity to what here, plus infinity. Check along y-axis. Okay, I'm checking. So okay, the graph is going downwards here towards minus infinity. So it's having all the value right from minus infinity to what here. Okay, it stopped here, minus infinity to what here, minus 3. Okay, minus infinity to what here, minus infinity to what here, minus 3. 3 should count here. So 3 should be what here? Closed interval. Okay. After that, so there is no graph from -3 to what here? 0. There is no value of y here. So your graph is not appearing in this part here. -3 to 0. Okay. Then I should run from what here? 0 to infinity. For 0, it is what here? Open circle. So 0 should not count in the value of y here. Range from 0 to, this graph is moving towards what here? Infinity. So hence what here? 0 to infinity. 0 should be open interval. Infinity is always open interval. So this guy is what here? Union symbol. Hope you understood here. Okay, we shall start with graph number 9 now. See the graph number 9 here. To check domain here, domain nothing but set of all the values of x going from so left to what here? Right along x-axis. The set of all possible values of x here. Minus infinity 0. This graph is having any value here. So it's not having any value. Okay, it starts with what here? 1. For 1, this graph is having what kind of value here? Open dot here. So 1 should not be included here. So what's the domain here? So domain is what here? 1 should be what here? Open interval. 1 2. So 1 to what here? 1 to 5. So 1 to what here? 5. So 5 is counting for the value of 5 domain here. You will be having closed circle. So 1 to what here? 5. You are not having any error mark here. This graph is not moving towards infinity. It stops here only. Okay. Range. The range thing that check the value of graph from right from top to bottom to what here? Top. So okay, check along y-axis here, check along y-axis, okay, the lowest value, the lowest. So don't say it's from -2 2 to what here? 5. So check with the lowest point here. Lowest point of graph is what here? 1, the value of 1. Okay, and the highest is what here? Highest is what here? At 5. At highest is at what here? 5. Hence the range is what here? 1. 1 is including here. So close interval of 1 2, and 5 is also what here? Including here. 1 to what here? 5. Okay, so okay, student, here we have 3 more graphs here. Last, these are very important here. Okay, so graph number 9 here. What is the domain of this guy here? Okay, check along x-axis, check along x-axis. Okay, it is start with what here? Here we'll be having -5, but for -5 we'll be having what here? So the open dot here, -5 should be what here? Open. -5 to what here? -5 to what here? -5 to 4. -5 to 4. -5 to 4. 4 should count here because 4 is having what here? The closed dot here. -5 to 4. The range nothing but check the graph along what here? Y-axis here. Checking along y-axis here. So it start from what here? It start from -3. But for -3 it is not having any value here. Minus it should be what here? Open interval. Okay. So -3 to what here? -3 to 2. -3 to what here? 2. 2 should count here. -3 to what here? 2. Right? Okay, students, here. So graph number 10. See here, domain nothing but check from -infinity to plus infinity. See here the arrow mark nothing but it moves towards infinity. So it is taking all the value right from -infinity to plus infinity. Nothing but domain is what here? Real number. Range check here, range along y-axis here from -infinity to 0. It is not having any value here. Right from 0 to infinity it is taking all the possible value here. Hence, so range is what here? Closed interval of 0 to infinity. So graph number 11 here. Check domain here. Domain nothing but left to right here. Left to right here. It is taking all the value right from -infinity to 0. 0 to what here? Infinity. Hence domain is what here? Real number. Right? It's having arrow mark here at both end here. It moving towards what here? Infinity. Range. So nothing but graph is, check the graph from bottom to top here. Again it is having all the value right from -infinity to what here? Plus infinity. Hence range is also what here? A real number. Hope students here these many graphs have been understood by you. Yes, now it is time to congratulate the fastest finger for the question on graphing is an art part 1 is Miss Samskruti. I am requesting every kid or every person, those who are watching this video, do answer in the comment box whatever the questions I am giving over here. If you like the video, kindly share among your friends here, and you also like it. Your every like will motivate for me to do some best video for you. Here I will be giving some question. And note it down and do answer in the comment box here. Note down proper arrow mark, open interval, close interval, everything here. Okay, so we shall meet with one more best video on graph here in the next session. And the PDF of this session is available in the comment box here, and download it here and enjoy learning. Bye bye, take care, happy learning.